Hey everyone, this is Sabrina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making July 10 on 10, and I decided since I had that new to me Feed Your Craft stamp set with all the different patterns on it that I am going to use that, and I'm going to go with a very vibrant color scheme since it was summer. I am going to stamp a border with the different pattern messy stamps in pink and purple and yellow and orange. And as you can see, I had a selfie with a shirt on that was purple. I had a song that I was listening to that was orange. And then I just pulled in a Creative Bubble cards and made sure that they were the same colors. Like the yellow one, right here, happy, that one, that was already yellow, and then a few of the other ones I had to change around the colors. So I am just having a good old time stamping along the edges and just making the biggest messy border you can imagine, and I absolutely love how it came together. I even used a new to me ink from Ali Edwards called Rose Garden, and I used that one to make the kind of thicker scallop borders, and I love it. I love how this messy border came together. So for the morning, I was the one that got to sleep in. So I was editing a video while I was sleeping in bed. So I just made a flap for that because I am also going to do the currently card. And then I also had my son take a photo of me making breakfast, which I absolutely love because he, for the most part, takes really good photos. He might just push the burst 100 times, but at least I'll get a good photo out of it. So I'm making sure that I got my flap situated, and then the currently can go down and you can see the editing photo. And then I had a very small sliver that I just cut off with my X-Acto knife. It was just bugging me, so I had to trim it off, and still a very, very small piece is hanging out on the right, and it was just bugging me. I'm sure you've been there before where it's like one little minor thing is just bugging you about the project and you just can't let it go. That was kind of that little piece for me. So I'm also going to have a flap for the family photo because we went swimming later in the afternoon because it was 110, and I took a weather screenshot, and then I will make a flap for that as well and just tuck it underneath the family photo as well. So it's just about holding the family selfie and then taking the other portion that I have and slipping it underneath there, and then I will have two flaps. I also had a few things that I printed out on matte paper, and I am going to use one of them as a title, Everyday Delights, and then the other one I'm going to use at the bottom that is yellow, and I can't remember what it says, but I'm going to use it at the bottom as kind of a border, and I just love those. And then I am going to go start writing in my journaling, and I'm going to kind of count the photos and realize that I am missing a photo. I don't know where it went, but I only have 9. So this would be 9 on 10. And I'm kind of just counting and wondering, where is it? And it's actually a laundry photo that I needed. And so I'm going to make a third flap. And then for the portion that you're going to see when you flip down, I'm just going to use a solid block piece that I printed out. I'm just going to add that on there, and then I'll add a digital stamp and call it done. I'm not going to add more journaling, and I'm not going to overthink it with that card since you really don't see it unless you flip it over. I just put currently and then made sure that I had everything glued down. And then I just add in a few details about the day, how the day started with me getting some time to myself. We went to the library, we got some awards, or the kids did, and then we went swimming as a family later in the afternoon. And I think for the show on the far left, I actually put I can't remember because I didn't write it down. So I just put I can't remember. I think that's the first time I've ever done that on a project where I just put I can't remember. Adding in a few X's and enamel dots, and then I'll fill in a few last things over on this currently card, and I'm done. So there you go. This project is all wrapped up, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'd love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. All right, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.